Welcome to Chitrayan drawing class for junior. Today I am going to demonstrate how to draw and paint a house easily on oil pastel. If you are following this tutorial, you need to start with soft pencil on paper. You can follow my drawing step by step. Now I start my drawing. At first we draw the house. I finish my drawing. Now I start the color with oil pastel. At first we take flesh tint shade and orange. We covered the half portion with flesh tint. Then we covered with orange. We overlap the color. Then we take dark brown and black. Then we use again dark brown and mix the color. We can draw a border line. Then you use grey color. We mix the grey color with dark brown. Then we blend it with white. Then I use little bit of black. I use black line for the deep portion. Then I use yellow ochre. We mix the color with grey. Again we use the burnt umber or dark brown. Then we use the white color. We use burnt sienna for lining. Then we use black for window. Then we use yellow ochre and ash for the way. Yellow ochre and S. We use Sap Green for tree. Prussian Blue. We also apply Sap Green again. Then we use Viridian Green for horizon. Sky Blue. Then we use lemon yellow. After that lemon yellow we use light green. Again we use Sap Green for bushes. And for deep part we use Prussian Blue. We use yellow ochre for shading. I think I finished my work and hope you have enjoyed very much. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this tutorial, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming video and press the bell icon. Your support will encourage us to produce new variable instructional video. Again, thanking you very much. Keep supporting us. Have a nice day.